Welcome to room 7508. All right, as you enter the room, to your left is a lock-off, so you could join to another room. To your right is the bathroom. Plenty of storage space here. Nice sink area and some Disney products. Underneath, it looks as though there's not really a lot of storage under here, but you do have a hairdryer and some extra toilet paper. There is your standard toilet, as well as some towels. The shower, really nice. Just a regular shower though. But look at this. There are no built-in pumps for your shampoo and body wash. They have given us some here. There's nothing built in. Okay, then to your right is a little galley area with a sink. You have coffee maker, some coffee cups and glasses up here. On the other side, ice bucket, microwave, toaster, and a mini fridge, plus drawer space with some utensils, coffee, and then some empty drawers, extra paper towels, trash can. Over here you have a pull-out pantry. You do have some counter space right across from the pantry, which is really nice. Then, oh, before we get to the main area, let's take a look at the closet. Extra pillow and blanket, that's for the fold-down bed. Have a safe, and you have an ironing board and plenty of space in there for luggage. You have your queen bed. And pull-out sofa bed. Some nice artwork. Beside the bed, you have standard plugs and a little shelf to put your electronics on, your phone. Mickey! Over here, another little shelf and some plugs. There is not under the bed storage. Nice little table and chairs over here. Entertainment center and some drawer space, as well as some hidden storage here. It's a nice deep drawer here. Two more on the other side. Nice mirror, and then the balcony. Private seating for two. Very, very private. I like this. Then we have a lake view. And tennis courts and also backstage area. And you can see Space Mountain from our balcony, which is kind of cool. And Cinderella Castle. Very nice. Okay, so this is a standard DVC room with a lake view or garden view. It's not necessarily theme park view, but we can see part of the theme park, so that's pretty nice. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Leave any questions you have below about the Contemporary Resort or Bay Lake Towers. This is my first time staying here at Bay Lake Towers, so I will have more information to share with you. Thank you for watching. Keep living the magic.